Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to a journey through the mesmerizing landscapes of Albania. Tucked away in the heart of Europe, this gem of the Balkans is a treasure trove of scenic wonders waiting to be discovered. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Albanian Riviera to the towering peaks of the Albanian Alps, Albania's geographical diversity is truly astounding. The country's beauty is not confined to its natural landscapes alone. Its rich history is etched into the cobblestone streets of its ancient cities and the enduring walls of its centuries-old castles. Imagine a place where the azure blue of the sea meets the verdant green of the mountains, where ancient ruins whisper tales of a bygone era, and where each dawn brings forth a spectacle of nature's splendor. This is Albania, a country that effortlessly weaves the old with the new, the wild with the serene. Now brace yourself as we delve into the enchanting beauty of Albania. First on our itinerary is the Albanian Riviera, a hidden gem along the Ionian Sea. Just picture this, miles of unspoiled beaches stretching along the coastline where the sun-kissed sand meets crystal-clear waters. This is the Albanian Riviera, a place where you can truly escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a serene haven that remains largely untouched by mass tourism, giving it an air of exclusivity and a unique appeal. The Riviera's beaches are a sight to behold, each with its own distinct charm. Whether it's the wide expanse of Borsh Beach, the longest in the country, or the more secluded Gjite Beach, nestled between towering cliffs, the Riviera offers a variety of beach experiences to suit every preference. Not only are these beaches a paradise for sunseekers, but they also provide a tranquil setting for nature lovers. Imagine taking a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, the gentle waves lapping at your feet as you admire the stunning backdrop of mountain ranges meeting the sea. But the Riviera isn't just about the beaches, it's also dotted with charming coastal villages, each brimming with character. Take Himara, for instance. This village is a delightful blend of traditional and modern, where you can wander through narrow cobblestone streets lined with quaint stone houses, then relax in a trendy beachside cafe, or explore Dermi, a village known for its historic stone houses and Byzantine churches, offering a glimpse into the area's rich past. Whether you're a fan of water sports, looking to explore the underwater world through snorkeling, or simply want to unwind with a good book under the Mediterranean sun, the Riviera has something for everyone. An absolute paradise for sunseekers and nature lovers alike, the Riviera's beaches are a must-visit. This is the perfect place to relax, rejuvenate, and experience the simple joys of life. A visit to the Albanian Riviera is not just a trip, but a journey into the heart of nature's beauty. So, if you're searching for your next vacation destination, look no further. The Albanian Riviera awaits. From the golden beaches, we ascend to the towering heights of the Albanian Alps. We have now entered a realm where nature's grandeur is on full display, a land of rugged beauty that remains largely untouched. Here, the mountains reach for the sky, their peaks cloaked in the pristine white of winter snow or the lush green of summer foliage. The Albanian Alps, also known as the Accursed Mountains, may have a foreboding name, but they promise a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. The landscapes here are dotted with pristine lakes reflecting the surrounding peaks, vast forests teeming with diverse wildlife, and quaint mountain villages that have preserved their traditions for centuries. The wildlife in the Albanian Alps is as diverse as the landscape itself. From the elusive lynx, Europe's largest wildcat, to the chamois, a nimble mountain goat antelope, and the golden eagle, the national symbol of Albania, nature's drama unfolds in every corner of this alpine wonderland. But it's not just about the landscapes and wildlife. The Albanian Alps also offer a plethora of activities for the adventurous at heart. Hiking trails crisscross the mountains, each offering a unique perspective of this stunning region. The Peaks of Balkans Trail, a 200-kilometer trek that weaves through the heart of the mountains, is a must for any avid hiker. For those who prefer a more laid-back experience, the mountain villages offer a glimpse into the traditional way of life. You can sample local cuisine, listen to folk music, or simply enjoy the tranquility that comes from being surrounded by nature's majesty. The Albanian Alps are a testament to the sheer variety of experiences that Albania has to offer. From the tranquil beauty of the lakes to the thrill of the hiking trails, from the diverse wildlife to the charm of the mountain villages, the Alps are a microcosm of all that makes Albania a destination worth exploring. For those with a thirst for adventure, the Albanian Alps offer an unrivaled experience. Each peak, each trail, each village has a story to tell. And for those willing to listen, the rewards are immeasurable. Leaving the rugged mountains, we journey to the historical city of Berat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nestled in the heart of Albania, Berat brims with a rich history that stretches back over 2.5 millennia. It's a city that carries the weight of centuries with grace, its stories etched into every stone and whispered down every narrow alleyway. Berat's architecture is a testament to its storied past. The cityscape is dominated by the imposing Berat Castle, dating back to the 13th century. But the castle isn't just a monument, it's a living, breathing part of the city. Even today, people continue to reside within its ancient walls, their daily lives weaving seamlessly with the threads of history. The city is affectionately known as the City of 1,000 Windows, a name it earns from the sea of Ottoman-era windows that cascade down the hillside. These windows, each a different size and shape, give Berat its distinctive, picturesque charm. Their irregular alignment, much like the city itself, is an endearing blend of order and chaos, tradition and innovation. Berat's cultural significance is as vibrant as its architecture. The city has been a melting pot of religious and cultural influences, from the Illyrians and Romans to the Byzantines and Ottomans. Each has left its imprint, creating a cultural tapestry that is as diverse as it is rich. The city's numerous churches and mosques stand as silent witnesses to this cultural interweaving, their frescoes and minarets reaching out to the skies in a symphony of styles. But Berat is more than just its buildings. It's the laughter echoing down the cobblestone streets, the smell of fresh bread wafting from a local bakery, the soft strumming of a chifteli resonating in the evening air. It's a city that lives and breathes its history, a city where the past and the present are intertwined in a timeless dance. Berat, with its castle-lined hills and ancient charm, is a walk through the pages of history. Our final destination is the serene Lake Ohrid, one of the oldest and deepest lakes in Europe. Nestled at the very heart of the Balkan Peninsula, this lake is a marvel of nature, a testament to the unspoiled beauty that Albania offers. There's a certain magic to Lake Ohrid, a sense of timelessness that transcends the everyday. Picture a body of water so vast and deep, it mirrors the sky, dotted with the occasional fishing boat, gently bobbing along the surface. The lake's waters are crystal clear, shimmering in shades of deep blue and emerald green, reflecting the lush mountains that cradle its shores. The flora and fauna surrounding Lake Ohrid add to its captivating charm. The area is home to a rich biodiversity with over 200 species of plants and animals that can't be found anywhere else in the world. Imagine walking along the lake's edge, amidst a symphony of bird songs, the scent of wildflowers in the air, and the sight of delicate butterflies fluttering by. But it's not just the natural splendor that makes Lake Ohrid special, it's the tranquil atmosphere it offers. This is a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of life, where you can take a moment to breathe, to simply be. Whether you're taking a leisurely boat ride, hiking up the surrounding trails, or sitting by the water's edge, you're enveloped in a sense of peace that seems to seep from the lake itself. And as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, the lake takes on a whole new persona. The quiet of the evening, interrupted only by the soft lapping of waves against the shore, and the twinkling stars reflected on the water's surface, make for a truly mesmerizing experience. Lake Ohrid, a haven of tranquility, perfectly encapsulates the natural allure of Albania. Our journey through Albania's breathtaking landscapes draws to a close. We've reveled in the sun-kissed Riviera's beaches, climbed the majestic peaks of the Albanian Alps, wandered through the historical city of Berat, and marveled at the natural beauty of Lake Ohrid. Albania's diverse beauty is truly something to behold. From its rugged mountains to its tranquil lakes, from its historical cities brimming with culture to its pristine beaches, Albania is a treasure trove of scenic delights waiting to be explored. So why not pack your bags and set off on your own Albanian adventure? The country's rich tapestry of landscapes promises an unforgettable journey, one that will leave you yearning for more. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Albania. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next adventure. Thank you and see you soon.